Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into GM OnStar EV services and diagnostics step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your device is connected to the internet. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type the official GM OnStar website URL. Press the enter key to load the website. Once the homepage opens, locate the sign in button. Click on the sign in button. You will now be directed to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the provided field. Next, type in your password in the password field. Double-check your entries for accuracy. If you have forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Sign In button. After logging in, you will be taken to your OnStar Services dashboard. Explore available services for your electric vehicle. For diagnostics, navigate to the Diagnostics section on the dashboard. Select the specific diagnostic service you need. Follow any additional prompts to complete the diagnostic process. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Help section for troubleshooting. Congratulations, you are now logged into GM OnStar EV services and diagnostics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.